Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the 3D benchmark test comparison between all of these three different Snapdragon processor mobile phones. The first phone is the iQOO Z5 device, which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor, and second phone is the Poco X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset, and third is the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let's see, while running this wildlife benchmark test, how much difference we can actually expect between the benchmark score between these three smartphones. That's what my main idea of demonstrating in this video. So this is the 3D benchmark test which I'm going to run exactly in this moment, as you can clearly see friends. So few of the users, they did ask me to upload another video as well comparing with other smartphones. I'll definitely do my best to post the video as soon as possible comparing with other phones as possible friends, because right now you'll be able to see exactly the FPS how it's maintaining. If you try to compare closely, let me slightly zoom up. So you'll be able to watch the FPS count in the Realme GT Neo 2 with the Snapdragon 870 is about getting close to 25 and 26 FPS, 20 FPS and 14 FPS. As you can see how it's maintaining. So there is a difference between FPS in every stage, in every Snapdragon process, 870, 860 and 778G processor. And even you can take a look at the display calibration as well, in case if you want to know about the display quality and everything. This is also another really interesting comparison to compare the display colors and everything using this kind of test. As you can see friends, the animations and everything, how they look exactly. And the benchmarks has been successfully completed in all the three smartphones, and now we will be getting the results, how it's kind of powerful, which phone has got what type of score. So definitely friends, the Snapdragon 870 feels slightly powerful as well, obviously, but I just want to know how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones. That's what my main idea of comparing. Now we got the results to know. Yes, there is a significant difference between these two phones. Snapdragon 860 and the Snapdragon 778G processor. So average FPS, there's a difference of 5 FPS consistently maintaining. So 25 FPS average, 20 FPS average and 15 FPS average. Try to observe this kind of average maintaining, not bad. And now let's move to the bottom, which is about the low to high FPS. 17 FPS to 32 FPS, it's maintaining in the Realme GT Neo 2. 13 to 26 FPS in the Poco X3 Pro device, and 11 to 19 FPS in the iQOO Z5 device. As you can see from this iQOO Z5 smartphone which I'm trying to use, you can see how it's maintaining regarding the FPS count as well. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between all of these three smartphones. I just thought of comparing the 3D bench wildlife test as well, so which will give a clear idea what is going on in terms of these benchmarks as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.